If you're not following latest Google update for your email marketing, then your autoresponder will get banned, period. Now here's what you need to know. Customers receive millions of emails every year in their inbox. And we've already mentioned above that almost 45% of those emails land up in spam folder. And ultimately, it results in your autoresponders getting banned for life, and you can't restore them at any cost. Well, I feel sorry for those of you who are still unaware of this huge development in the email marketing arena. Now before moving ahead, let's see the sad story of every business owner who wants to make it big in the email marketing arena. You buy generic leads from unsolicited sources in order to make it big in email marketing industry. You pay a huge amount, but you're not aware of the fact that many emails in those lists are not valid and damp. You're sending them mails that never reach their inbox. As a result, your autoresponder as well as your sending reputation is getting harmed drastically. Level 1. Level 2. You move ahead to buy autoresponders with full zeal and damp confidence, either by paying one-time price or choosing expensive monthly subscriptions. However, your dreams get quickly shattered because you unknowingly uploading dead emails inside them and damp. In that case, you won't ever get the desired outcome from your email marketing campaigns. Here are some of the major autoresponders that you may have tried. You get into active mode and damp. Start ending emails almost every alternate day. But, you get the most terrifying shock of your life when you get a message that your autoresponder is banned and damp. You're prohibited from sending emails to your list with immediate effect. So, you're looking for new SMTP servers to come out of this mess, but will this help? I doubt. Level 3. Level 4. Your domain reputation goes for a toss and damp. The worst part is that you don't know how to move forward in the right direction. You go to so-called self-proclaimed marketing gurus, take their advice, and damp. Restart the vicious cycle by choosing to opt for another autoresponder or buying a new set of leads. Ultimately, you can't figure out what's going on in your life and damp. Feel completely down and out. Level 5. Now, just imagine what if you could. Get over all this, verify your list and damp. Boost sender reputation in 3 easy clicks. Upload list. Login. Verify list. Email list validation reduces bounce rate by 90%. Yes. Don't be amazed to read that this is something that 99.99% marketers resort to, but won't share their secrets with you at any cost. Yes, we're superbly excited to present your ultimate tool for validating email lists in just 3 clicks. MarketKit. Along with the huge Power MarketKit Prove It with email list verification. It also comes packed with a brand new, AI-powered email copywriting tool that creates fresh, attention-grabbing email content, so you never have to worry about sending boring mails that ultimately boost your open rates. Using this, you can finally say goodbye to those expensive copywriters who charge like wildfire for creating emails with no guarantee of getting opened. It's like a professional copywriter working for you 247,365 and damp. Provides everything needed to bank and big with your email marketing efforts. Tool number 2 AI-powered email article extractor. Imagine having the power to sending 100% unique and damp, conversion-focused articles inside your emails to the subscribers that gets them craving for more. With this AI-powered email article extractor, you'll have everything you need to send amazing niche-based articles to your client and damp. Get them hooked to your emails for months and damp years to come. Now, it's your turn to join this latest email marketing trend and bank and big like the industry pros. Get higher clicks and damp open rates for your emails. Enhance sender reputation with no tech hassles. Reduces efforts in fixing bounces. Massive increase in email marketing profits. MarketKit puts you on the fast track for email marketing profits. Watch this short demo to know how. MarketKit comes loaded with never offered before Business boosting features. Works easily with your favorite email service providers. Use auto-floss feature for automatic daily list cleaning. Never send mails to a dirty email list again. Prevent your email list from going stale. Automatically delete invalid email addresses so they don't clog up your email list. Connect instantly with tons of other apps. Easily unsubscribe invalid email addresses to save your reputation. Brand new, Google-approved list cleaning technology. 3x your email marketing center and DAMP. Opens in minutes. Get detailed analytics and stats. AI-powered email article creator to create engaging content. Get high-quality email content that's 100% original and DAMP. SEO optimized. Get higher search rankings with zero monthly fees. Keep your text organized with multiple folders. Instantly generate profitable and DAMP. High engaging email articles in minutes. Drive better quality outputs and DAMP. Get better context. Save time and DAMP. Money with and DAMP. Use it for business boosting purpose. Get higher email clicks with no prior writing skills. 100% newbie friendly, easy to use dashboard. It's packed with tons of additional awesome features like no prior tech or marketing skills needed. Step-by-step video tutorials. Limited time commercial license included. 100% newbie friendly, easy to use platform. Regular monthly updates included. Here's what makes MarketKit a one-stop solution for all your list verification needs. Stop wasting money hiring expert email copywriters again. Stop wasting time learning how to write powerful emails that convert. Stop paying monthly to those overpriced email article creators again. Stop spending huge for third-party email verification services that seldom deliver results. Stop worrying about getting high open and click-through rates. Say goodbye to turning your hair gray for getting best results with email marketing campaigns. Is a perfect choice for digital product sellers, email marketers, affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, social media marketers, video marketers, bloggers and DAMP, vloggers, small business owners, product coaches, trainers. Real results are happy early users. Got using MarketKit from day one. The last email list verification technology you will ever need. Compare yourself and DAMP. See why MarketKit is way above the others. Limited time launch deal. Get free commercial license only today. And here is the best part we haven't revealed. With this limited time commercial license, you too can earn top dollar by selling the most sought after services in the industry. MarketKit helps to verify your lists and DAMP. Protect your sender reputation quickly. As if that wasn't enough, you will also build a new source of income with a constant flow of money. Within minutes, verify lists, create engaging emails as well as send engaging articles, and provide your services across niches to hordes of hungry clients while you earn big. Without any writing skills, designing knowledge or technical skills. Make the right